Like, holy shit. Our evening began with a beautiful boat ride out to Baum Island on Lake Murray in Lexington, South Carolina. The purple martins swarm here every year in the summer months. That's Captain Zach. He's actually made a film about this called Purple Haze, a conservation film. The sunset was one of the most amazing sunsets I've seen all year. We watched the martins roll in. They were swooping all around us, all around the boat, and suddenly just thousands and thousands of birds. This is a sight to see, and I do recommend coming out here and seeing this.